FocusworksEDC.com.
They're engraving the Focusworks logo into the bodies of the flashlights. Around 4 at a time. So I check the logo engraving to make sure that edges aren't peeled over, particularly in aluminum. If my tool is a little bit dull, it will push a burr into the engraving beside it, and then that will mask off anodizing, and there'll be white spots in the engraving after anodizing.
Handmade in Canada. FocusworksEDC.com.